Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Talk English podcast. I am your teacher, Mark.
And I am Elena. Welcome to a very special episode. Today we are not just learning words, we are learning the keys to speaking English fast.
That is right. Many students spend years studying grammar rules. They study the past perfect continuous tense. But when they go to a coffee shop, they panic. They do not know what to say.
Today, we are going to teach you essential daily phrases. These are chunks of English. If you memorize these phrases, you can survive in almost any situation.
We are going to cover three main areas in this first part. Number 1, how to greet people naturally. Number 2, how to be polite and ask for things. And number 3, how to say sorry and excuse yourself.
We will speak slowly, we will repeat the phrases, and we want you to repeat them out loud wherever you are. Are you ready to fast-track your English?
Let's get started. The first topic is greetings. Now, Elena, what is the first thing we learn in school?
We learn, hello, how are you? And the answer is, I am fine, thank you. And you?
Exactly. And while this is correct English, it sounds very robotic. It sounds like a textbook. Native speakers rarely use this exact phrase.
Instead, we use faster, more natural phrases. The most common one is, how's it going?
Listen to the pronunciation. We connect the words. How's it goin'? It sounds like one word. How's it goin'? Elena, how's it goin'?
It is going well, thanks. Notice the answer. It is going well. Or simply, good, thanks.
Another very common phrase, especially in America, is what's up?
What's up is very casual. You use this with friends. It means, what is happening? Or, what are you doing?
The answer to what's up is not I am fine. The answer is not much or nothing much, because you're answering the question, what is happening? Nothing much, just working.
Let's practice these. I will say the phrase, you repeat it. How is it going?
How is it going?
Not bad, thanks.
What's up?
Not much.
Excellent. Now let's talk about saying goodbye. Goodbye is very formal. We usually say, see you later.
Or simply, see ya. But there is one phrase that is perfect for every situation. It is, have a good one.
Oh, I love this phrase, have a good one. What one? It means have a good day, or have a good evening, or have a good weekend. It covers everything.
You say this to the cashier at the supermarket. You say this to the bus driver. Thanks, have a good one.
Okay, let's move to section 2. This is the most important section for beginners. The art of politeness.
In English, we are very polite. We use please and thank you all the time, but the verbs we use are also important.
Many beginners make a mistake. They go to a restaurant and say, I want coffee, or give me the menu.
This is too direct. It sounds a little bit rude. In English, we do not use I want, we use I would like.
I would like, or we contract it to I'd like. I'd like a coffee, please. I'd like to check in, please.
Another magic phrase is, could you? Use this when you ask someone to do something. Don't say, open the window. Say, could you open the window?
Or can you, but could you is even more polite. Could you help me? Could you repeat that?
And if you want to ask for permission, use may I or can I. Can I sit here? May I use your bathroom?
Let's try a drill. I will give you a rude sentence. I want you to change it into a polite sentence using the phrases we just learned. Rude sentence. Give me water.
Polite version. Could I have some water, please? Or, I'd like some water, please.
Rude sentence. Help me.
Polite version. Could you help me, please?
Rude sentence. Where is the bathroom?
Polite version. Excuse me, could you tell me where the bathroom is?
That brings us perfectly to section 3, excuse me versus I'm sorry.
This is a classic confusion. In some languages, it is the same word. In English, they are different.
We use excuse me before we interrupt someone or before we pass someone. If you are on a crowded bus and you need to get to the door, you say, excuse me, excuse me.
You are not saying sorry for a mistake, you are just asking for space. You also say, excuse me, to get a waiter's attention. Excuse me, could we get the bill?
But we use I'm sorry when we make a mistake. If you step on someone's foot, you say, oh, I'm sorry. If you are late for a meeting, you say, I am sorry I'm late.
So imagine this situation. You are in a shop. You want to ask the worker a question. First, you say, excuse me, do you work here?
Then you accidentally drop a shirt on the floor. You say, oh, I'm sorry.
Let's listen to a short conversation combining greetings, politeness, and excuse me. Mark is a customer. I'm a shop assistant.
Excuse me, hi there.
Hi, how's it going? Can I help you?
Good, thanks. I'm looking for a new jacket.
Okay, the jackets are over there.
Could you show me the black ones?
Sure, here you go.
Ah, this is nice, but it's a bit small. I'm sorry, but do you have a medium?
No problem. Let me check the back.
I would appreciate that. Thanks.
Here's a medium.
Perfect. I'll take it.
Great. Have a good one.
You too.
Did you hear the flow? It was very natural.
Mark said, I would appreciate that. This is a very nice way to say thank you in advance.
And Elena said, here you go. We say, here you go when we give something to someone. If I give you money, here you go. If I serve you food, here you go. Okay, we have covered the basics of social interaction, but what happens when you don't understand? What happens when the person speaks too fast?
That is the scary part. But do not worry. In part 2, we are going to teach you the survival phrases. These are the phrases you use when you are confused.
We will also talk about shopping and asking for the price.
So, take a deep breath, drink some water, and let's move on to part 2. Part 2. Welcome back to Essential Daily Phrases. We are building your survival kit for English.
In this part, we are focusing on clarification. This means making things clear. As a beginner, you will not understand everything. That is normal.
The worst thing you can do is smile and nod if you don't understand. If you do that, the person will keep talking. You need to stop them.
So here are the essential phrases for when you are confused. Phrase number 1, I didn't catch that.
I didn't catch that. This does not mean catching a ball. It means I did not hear or I did not understand. It is very natural. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Phrase number 2, could you speak more slowly, please? Don't be afraid to use this. Native speakers often speak fast without thinking. If you ask politely, they will slow down.
Phrase number 3, what does X mean? If I say a word you don't know, ask me immediately. Sorry, what does forecast mean?
And finally, if you want to check your own understanding, you can say, do you mean, for example, do you mean the blue one? Do you mean today or tomorrow?
Let's practice these. I will say a sentence very fast. You need to use a survival phrase. Ready? Hey Mark, you gonna head to the store later?
I'm sorry, could you speak more slowly, please?
Okay. Are you going to the store later? Let's try another one. The weather is atrocious today.
Sorry, what does atrocious mean?
It means very, very bad. You see, by using these phrases, you control the conversation. You are learning while you speak.
Now, let's move to a very practical topic, shopping and money. If you travel, you will need to buy things.
The most basic question is, how much is this? Or, how much does this cost?
If there is no price tag, you ask, excuse me, how much is this?
And the answer might be a number. It is $20. Or they might say, it is on sale.
On sale means it is cheaper than usual. It has a discount. If the price is too high, you can say, that is a little out of my budget. This is a polite way to say it is too expensive.
Or simply, I think I will pass, thanks. To pass means to say no. I will pass.
But if you want to buy it, you say, I'll take it. Notice the future tense. I will take it.
Then you need to pay. The cashier will ask, how would you like to pay? You can answer, can I pay by card? Or, do you take cash?
Do you take means do you accept? Do you take credit cards? Do you take Apple Pay?
Let's do a shopping role play. I am the customer. Elena is the cashier.
Hello, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. I am just looking around.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything.
Actually, excuse me, how much is this mug? There is no price on it.
Let me check. That one is $15.
$15? That is a little expensive for a mug.
Well, we have these other ones over here. They are on sale. They are only $5.
Oh, that is much better. I like the red one.
Great choice.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we take all cards. Would you like a receipt?
No thanks. Have a good one.
You too.
Did you hear the phrase, I am just looking? This is the perfect phrase when you enter a store and the assistant attacks you. Can I help you? No thanks. I'm just looking.
It takes the pressure off. We have covered so much today. Let's review our essential toolkit.
Greetings. How's it going? Not much. Politeness. I would like. Could you? Excusing. Excuse me. For attention. Sorry. For mistakes. Clarity. I didn't catch that. Could you slow down? Shopping. How much is it? I'll take it.
If you only learn these phrases, you will be able to travel to any English-speaking country and get by.
Get by. That is a good phrasal verb to end on. To get by means to survive, to manage. You might not be perfect, but you will get by.
Now, we have a challenge for you. We want you to use one of these phrases today.
Maybe you can write it in the comments, or maybe you can say it to your mirror. Practice saying, I would like a coffee, please, 5 times.
Pronunciation is about muscle memory. Your mouth needs to learn the shape of the words. I'd like a, I'd like a, I'd like a.
Thank you so much for joining us for this intensive lesson. We hope you feel more confident.
Remember, learning English is not a race. It is a journey. But these phrases are your running shoes. They will help you move faster.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Talklish podcast for more lessons. We will see you in the next episode.
Have a good one, everybody.
See you later.